I really like this minimalistic studio setup. Maybe you're a minimalist or you like this similar kind of style and you're wondering how have I achieved this. In this video, I'm gonna show you around the office, what's it like, how did I get this look. Let's do it. So, this is kind of the position where I'm sitting and this is what I'm seeing over there. So this is the other side of the office. If you hear some weird sounds coming from the background, someone screaming, someone crying, it's just my son. This is normal, everyday YouTuber's life. Try to kind of spot my videos on the time when he's asleep, basically like that. So don't get distracted about that. By the way, I've tried to clean it up here a little bit, but this is like reality. This is what it's gonna look like. This is what it looks like. So I just want to make this video so you can see around how have I done this. So as you can see, I have painted half of the room black. No, it's not just black, it's kind of like a dark gray, a little bit bluish color. It's probably really hard to see with that grade and things, but half of the room is painted. Now I've got this little table, well, it's quite a large table actually here. This is from IKEA, and then got some lights in the background over there. And okay, let's have a look around. Okay, so basically my main look has done with this white table over there. I can still put like a laptop or some notes or something on the end of the table if I need to see the notes for the kind of video or things like that. I've got my main light on the side, key light coming from there, and then a little fill light on my face on there, also lighting up the product or whatever I'm talking about. Then on the top there's a ring light that kind of gives me like this light on the top of myself. Now, if we go on the side here, if we keep going, and on this side of the studio, obviously, as you can see, it's a loft. On this side, you can see that here lays all the tripods, monopods, glide cams and gimbal boxes, and kind of my camera bag kind of says over there. What's behind that? Secret Narnia. Then on this side, this suitcase has a very, very specific value and reason why it's there. It's holding onto that mic stand leg because that ring light on the top there is really like quite heavy, and this is a mic stand that I'm using to kind of mount it over there. And if this suitcase wasn't there, it would just fall over that side. Then I've got a smart plug over there so I can, on my phone, boom, turn all of this on. Got a little really cheap tripod because I wanted to leave it set up. This is really cheap tripod that I got. This power socket is connected to that smart plug, so everything can be turned on by one switch on my phone. This is just the battery grip that's been left on there, so I can just plug my camera in over there. On this side here, we have quite a lot of boxes and it looks really messy, but some kind of in the middle of making reviews or stuff over there. Over there, there's like a battery grip that I bought before even the camera. I'm just waiting for my camera to arrive. Then you're kind of leading up to these big boxes. System stuff arrived in these, so I haven't thrown them away because I might want to sell something and these boxes might come useful. So they're stored on this side. Some things are on sale on eBay. Then this is like a massive tech table where I'm also charging the batteries. Charging station is over there, and then just bits and bobs that are kind of laying around or need quick use are on the table over there. Then we've got the computer setup over here, little plug of tech notice. Then you've got obviously all these box graveyards, that's what I call them. Nice boxes and cool product boxes are stored up over that side. And then these are just empty boxes that I've just kind of thrown in there because often I have to return stuff or buy new stuff and, you know, sell them. Then it's good to have these boxes and all this wrapping stuff. And then we've got a little bin over there. So basically, this is the studio. This is what makes the tech notice look. And it was really quite simple actually, achieving this like minimalistic look over there. And the biggest change, or the biggest thing that kind of made the look, was that light over there, the overhead light that kind of lights up my head and the side, and also acts as like the back light, or like the behind light. You could kind of see it. That was the most cinematic thing that added to that. Before we had it here, so I was looking through the ring light into the camera, but that was very like front lit thing, and I didn't like it in the end. So I'm quite happy with this setup over here. Only 3 lights, and they're all really cheap. If you wanna ask me any of the stuff, or where did I get this from, just drop me a comment below and I'll try to find them. Although I have like the default things, the main things what I'm using, in the section below, so you can find some products over there. But if you want to find a specific product or that you saw in the video, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to find the link and tell you this. But basically, this is the minimalistic studio setup. The room is half painted because I wanted it to look really like cinematic and kind of focused on that side, but I didn't want to paint the whole room because that dark color make you feel very, very like deep and a bit depressing and closed down. So half of the room is just beige magnolia color. Like this kind of makes it a bit more lighter. And this is the minimalistic studio. And voila! What's this? What's this? My wife just brought me some fruit, so I wouldn't starve when working up here making videos. A good wife is the best thing you can have for your business. This is the minimalistic studio setup. I hope you enjoyed the studio little tour. Obviously things are going to change, and I might make another one further on when it looks a bit different, but just wanted to make some. And if there's a minimalist out there and wants to make a similar kind of setup, similar kind of look, then this is how I do it. Maybe you're new here and you're wondering what's happening, who is this, how are you, what are you doing here? Then welcome, my name is Lauri. This channel is called Tech Notice, and we do a lot of camera gear reviews and tech gear reviews and just review tech and stuff like that. I'm from England, so that's why the funny accent as well. So if you are new here, consider subscribing because content and videos are coming out every single week. And feel free to check out all the content already on the channel. Can I just ask you to take 5 seconds and review my video by hitting like or dislike in the section below? That will massively help me. So if you did like the video, please hit that like button so that the video gets likes and I know that I've done a good job. So thanks very much guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. I'll meet you in the comment section below and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.